to Tatarina. In this video I am going to show you how you can upload a YouTube video from your mobile phone using your mobile app. Let's begin. Open your YouTube app in Android or iPhone, then click on plus, then from there upload a video. Select video from your mobile phone, tap on it, then click on next. The first option should be the title. Please give a title by tapping on create a title. I'm writing a title now. It's a sample title as title of the video. Now tap on add a description. Type your description. Right now I'm typing description of the video. Once you're done, click on the back arrow at the upper left corner. Then you can select the visibility. Right now I'm giving public. Then you can select the audience. I'm making it no, it's not made for kids. I'm not giving any age restriction. It's not a restricted video. You can select the restriction as per your need. Then click on the back icon from the back button or the upper left corner. You can also select location by tapping on the location. I'm giving you United States. Or you can give it or you can't give it. It's totally up to you. Then if you have created any playlist before, then you can select that. But on the go, you can't select or create a, you can select but can't create a playlist from the app. You have to create the playlist before by saving a video from your YouTube app. Okay, once you are done, you can also add a thumbnail from this mobile app. In order to give that, click on the icon on the left side and then select files from another files application from your mobile and select the right image that goes with your video. Okay, I have chosen my thumbnail. Then I will click on done. Then I will click on upload. The video will be uploaded. You can see the video upload by clicking on see videos. Or you can click on the library and then you can click on your videos. Then you will see the upload is in the progress. It will take 3 minutes to upload the video. Once that is done, YouTube will process your video and your video will be available for your viewers to watch it. I hope you have enjoyed the process how to upload a video on YouTube using your mobile phone application from the Android and also from iPhone. The process will be similar. I will see you in the next video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment below. Take care. Bye bye.